What it does. A Terraform CI/CD pipeline automates the deployment of infrastructure to cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It integrates Terraform with GitHub Actions to create a seamless workflow that provisions infrastructure, tests, and validates deployments. Command/example. Breaking it down. 1. Trigger. The pipeline is triggered on push events to the main branch. 2. Checkout code. The workflow checks out the code in the repository. 3. Initialize Terraform. The workflow initializes Terraform with a specified version. 4. Login to AWS. The workflow logs into AWS using stored secrets. 5. Terraform apply. The workflow applies the Terraform configuration, provisioning infrastructure. 6. Terraform output. The workflow outputs the Terraform configuration. Common mistakes. 1. Incorrect Terraform version, using an outdated or incompatible Terraform version. 2. Insufficient permissions, failing to provide necessary permissions for Terraform to provision infrastructure. 3. Incorrect AWS region, specifying an incorrect AWS region, leading to deployment failures. Try this next. 1. Test Terraform configuration. Use Terraform plan to test the Terraform configuration before applying it. 2. Implement rollback strategy. Use Terraform destroy to roll back deployments in case of failures. Pro tip. 1. Use environment variables. Store sensitive information like AWS credentials as environment variables. 2. Monitor pipeline logs. Regularly monitor pipeline logs to detect and fix issues. 3. Implement infrastructure testing. Use tools like Terraform to test and validate infrastructure deployments. To further improve your Terraform CI/CD pipeline, consider implementing the following best practices. 1. Use Terraform modules. Organize Terraform configurations into reusable modules. 2. Implement state management. Use Terraform state management to track infrastructure changes. 3. Use GitHub Actions secrets. Store sensitive information like AWS credentials as GitHub Actions secrets. Remember to always follow security best practices when working with sensitive information and infrastructure deployment.